Welcome back. So we have another video on carousels. Here you can see. So these are the type of a content which is a format, where you able to swipe up. So here you can see this is actually a prompt which you can which you can use in order to create a carousel post for Instagram or for you can also put it on LinkedIn. So moving ahead, here we have this prompt. Write a 6 slide carousel about insert context. Here you will need to add your topic, but insert conflict. If you want something, more about, if you want to add something more about, conflict about in a particular topic, you can also add, therefore, insert shift and finally insert resolution. Here is actually an example you can see. I want to write a short 6-digit IT carousels about this. How I activated a simple my chat many chat automation that exploded my organic reach instantly. The simple change CTA call to action from follow to comment lowered barrier. Algo loves early comment on post. One short sentence per slide make the tone fun, punchy and conversational. Use 7 grade level language. So these are the few things that you need to know when you're creating content for carousels, post, and you can also use this prompt. Here you can see. So let's just try this whole. Just copy this and come to the in chat model. This is a deep seek. Let's see what this chat will going to provide us. So from this, you can create as much as carousels for your Instagram account and also for your, LinkedIn accounts. So this is taking a little bit of time and it will provide you. You can choose any topics. Like if you want to create content around freelancing, you can create it. If you want to create a content regarding digital marketing and you want to create content regarding that niche, you can also create content. So it depends on you what type of business you're running and what type of content you want produce. So yes, this is this is the post. This is the title. How one word make my post go crazy viral. This is an amazing title which you can use. Here you can see, come to the Canva and search carousels. So this is a template you will get. From here you can change, change the color, change the font, size, each and everything. So let just paste, just change each and everything, the content. If you want this, here you can see tip 2, tip 3, tip 4. So there are lots of things. So this is how you change and make carousels post for your for Instagram or for LinkedIn. Hope this helps. If you have any question, do let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.